The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunshine, or 31 miles northwest of Denver, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boulder, Longmont, Lafayette, Erie, Jamestown, Sunshine, Somerville, Chrisman, Niwot, Wall Street, and Salina. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, heavy rain, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.